Sold. Tongue, you're welcome. Stomach, we appreciate your sacrifice for the greater good. What? No. Can we talk about this later? No, I don't. Of course I care about you. Yes, of course. But no, I don't love Tongue more. No, I love you both the same. It's just that... Yes, you make some excellent points. So I just... Okay, look, fine. I will eat more and taste less. Does that make you happy? Good. Sorry about that little issue. See you next time. What? Oh, not you too, Tongue. Can't we discuss this like adults? I mean, seriously. Oh, guys. Not cool, guys. Not cool. I'm always prepared. Oh, time for lunch. I'm totally prepared to eat.